Hey guys, what's up, Mr. Android here, and today we will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy M40. Well, I have got this phone for around 20,000 Indian rupees, and this phone comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset, and it has got 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. But the main highlight of this phone is that it comes with the Infinity O design. So let's quickly unbox this device. Opening up the box, the first thing that you will find in the box is the another box, which contains all the paperwork. And sadly, we do not have any back cover inside the box. Never mind, let's keep this aside, and the next thing is the device itself. I got this in a sea blue color and it looks just amazing, guys. This will be my first punch hole design smartphone that I will be using, and as of now I will keep this aside and let's see what else do we get inside the box. So we get the charger, which is 15 watts fast charger, and it will charge the smartphone within 2 hours. Samsung has provided the fast charger inside the box itself, so that's a really great thing. And we have this Type-C cable to charge our device. Also we get this Type-C earphones. Well, this phone does not comes with a 3.5 headphone jack, but the good thing is that they have provided the Type-C earphones inside the box itself, so I don't have to purchase those expensive Type-C earphones separately. So now let's quickly set up this phone. Guys, I'm really excited about this phone because it has got this Infinity O design, and it will be my first Samsung device which comes with a Snapdragon processor. As you can see, I have set up this device and it looks amazing, guys. Well, I know it does not have a Super AMOLED display, but still this display looks very good. And the best part of this display is the Infinity O design. Also, it comes with the latest Android Pie, and it is running on Samsung One UI, so that's a great thing as well. Now let's check all the specifications and see what this phone has to offer. It comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor, and it has got only one variant, which is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. In the front, you have this Infinity O 6.3 inches Full HD display, which is actually a TFT panel. Other than that, it comes with a triple camera setup, out of which 32 megapixel is the primary lens, and you will also get a dedicated depth sensor and a wide angle lens as well. In the front, you get this 16 megapixel front camera for taking selfies. So that's pretty much it, guys. This was a quick unboxing and the first impression of Samsung M40. So stay tuned on this channel because I will be uploading a lot of videos of this device. Also, we will compare this device with Samsung Galaxy A50 as well. And talking about this device, overall it looks a very good smartphone which comes with Snapdragon 675 and got this beautiful Infinity O design. So stay tuned for a detailed review on this smartphone. Until then, I am Mr. Android and I will catch you guys in the next one.